Post-closing REBNY Co-op financial statement is a common requirement for co-op board applications in New York City. The post-closing financial statement is your pre-closing financial statement with 3 changes. Add your purchase price to real estate under assets, remove the contract deposit from assets, and add your loan balance to liabilities. Turning your pre-closing REBNY financial statement into a post-closing statement should not result in any change to your total net worth. If you make an adjustment for buyer closing costs, it would make your post-closing net worth marginally lower. Co-ops have relatively low closing costs for buyers of 1 to 2%, so whether or not you factor them in has little impact. Why do some co-ops request a post-closing financial statement? Co-ops usually request the post-closing financial statement so that they can directly observe your forecasted post-closing liquidity reserves. This metric is scrutinized by co-ops as it's an indication of how secure and reliable your monthly co-op maintenance payments will be in the event you suffer a job loss or some other dip in income. It's worth remembering that co-ops in New York City have relatively robust financial requirements for buyers, which are almost always stricter than what lenders use to underwrite borrowers. The point of these requirements is to ensure financial stability and resilience amongst the co-op shareholder base. Co-ops want to be absolutely sure that a buyer will always pay his or her monthly maintenance bill. If a unit owner refuses to pay, this increases the burden on other shareholders who will have to make up the shortfall. Aside from post-closing liquidity, the debt-to-income ratio, DTI, of buyers is another metric which is heavily scrutinized by most co-op buildings in New York City. Bear in mind that some co-ops take a holistic approach to evaluating a candidate's finances as opposed to maintaining specific requirements. This means that the co-op factors in post-closing liquidity, DTI, the buyer's job, and the size of the down payment, or all cash, among other factors. Thinking of buying or selling in New York City? Save money with Hauseit, New York City's largest and most trusted for sale by owner and buyer closing credit company. Hauseit has saved New Yorkers millions of dollars in commissions since 2014, and we'd love to help you, too. Subscribe to our channel and check us out at www.hauseit.com.